Hello everyone. ALİMHU, AHADHU Universal System Theories. The first time all of the universe and last time all of the universe, all of the world. 16 theories. Theory 1. CENTRALHU Global Theory. 2. HARMONYHU Universal Theory. 3. EFRUZHU CARCINOGENESIS Theory. 4. Opposition-HU Balance Theory. 5. HU Cancer Treatment Theory. 6. METAPOSİHU Total Science Theory. 7. Start and to GODHU Theory. 8. Imagination REALİTYHU Theory. 9. Multiply Universe VAHİDHU Theory. 10. Atom Center UNIVERSALHU Theory. 11. Male-female system FERDHU Theory. 12. Existence, non-existence DAİMHU Theory. 13. THEORETİCİAN Maturity, İMMATURİTY Theory. 14. QUDDUSHU Complete Incompleteness Theory. 15. Look like, unlike VİTRHU Theory. And our last 16th theory, the AND-WHO theory. And I would like say something about our last theory, the AND-WHO theory. Law 1. All positive scientific actions have to end it absolutely. The AND-WHO theory. Law 2. All metaphysical who scientific functions have to end it relatively. The AND-WHO theory. Law 3. All ends would have been caused, new, started. The AND-WHO theory. Law 4. All ends had been started from endless. The AND-WHO theory. Law 5. All ends are continuing to be endless. The AND-WHO theory. Law 6. All starts are outer conditions and all ends are inner conditions. The AND-WHO theory. Law 7. All starts and all ends together make neutral. The ANDHU theory, law 8. All ends have to destroyed of all starts. And our last theory, last law, law 9. All starts supported continued to the end. Our theories, ALİMHU, AHADHU, universal system theories, have very high, powerful effect all over the world. Main idea, main mentality, and our theories have strong, powerful effect that will have been changed all over the world. Stable and constant ideas, values, and so on. Thank you so much for your patience.